How to delete your PlayStation account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'll simply show you how you can delete your PlayStation account, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to delete our PlayStation account, just open up your browser and then you simply want to come to this official URL. I'll make sure to drop a link. This is the official page of the support page of PlayStation website. So first of all, you have to just come to this website. As I said, I'll make sure to drop a link below, and then here you'll be taken to the contact support page over here, as you can see. So it says, what do you need help with? Of course, we're going to select account and security here, and as you select account and security, and you'll see all these options where you have to go to the one that says change online ID and other account questions. Just click on that. So change online ID and other account questions. So right over here it says need to contact us. So over here it says online assistant. So just go ahead and then click on this online assistant button. Once you click on online assistant, a live chat is going to actually open up on the right hand side of the screen. So you just want to click on this assistant available icon right over here. So as you can see, it's actually currently loading. We're going to wait until the chat page has been loaded up. So now over here you can see our chat page has been loaded up. Now we have to provide them our PlayStation ID and email address of the account that we want to delete. So first we'll also just go ahead and then enter our first name as well as our last name just to fill in the form, and then just select the option called start chatting here. Once you select the option called start chatting, now what we'll do is we have to copy our address, right? So come to your profile page, and your username is basically your PlayStation Online ID. So your username is your PlayStation Online ID, and your email address will be right over here, as you can see. So we're just going to let them know that this is the account that we want to actually go ahead and then delete it, and then you also want to provide them your email address and then just ask them to delete it, and then you should be able to go ahead and then delete your PlayStation Network account. That's all it takes to delete your PS4 account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.